So I Zamgili Gram Sabha Zala, Kavilasi village panchayat, which was attended by a lot of people. And very discussions zale and a lot of points were discussed by the villagers. And one of the important issue was discussed with the CRGCMA given permission to cricketer Ashish Nehra. So a lot of villagers have a lot of questions, and I explained to them he got the permission from the CRZ. However, the panchayat have not issued any permission as yet. But on the contrary, we have written to CRZ for some clarification regarding the old case, regarding the road, and also about the violation. So I gave clarification to the people today that we will have an inspection along with the complainant, and no permission will be granted by the panchayat unless and until everything is sorted out in a transparent manner. So तेंका जोका कितें जालें जायत्या लोकांक कोण आमी पंचायतान कांय परमिशन दिवंक ना तेंका CRZ दिला for some wooden cottages, but it's a sensitive area, so we will have लोकांक concern केला थिंगा रस्तो ना, so that also we will take into consideration, and all the other environmental issues also हे सगळे आमी चोरून एक inspection घातले and मागीर decision घेतले, and I will convey the message to the complainant and to the local also before taking any decision. This is my word. The second also issue was discussed about illegal fishing jetty or fish landing jetty, which is operating in Mobar for many years. Amgelo ek Roy Barreto tani ek issue raised kella written with all the document that this particular jetty is operating without any permission from the panchayat for so many years. Therefore, we will write also to the Gram Sabha have taken a resolution to write to the authority also to verify the permission, and if we have any other permission to operate fish landing. कित्याक हिंगा आमगेले जायत्यो fishing activities जाताय आणि जायते labor येताय. According to the complainant, Mr. Roy Barreto, around 18 एक मनशागेले ओट्रा बोटी आहाय, so तेका इतला around 1000 labor येता आणि तेंका proper screening जायना and proper sanitation na, and it is unhygienic. So we will take action on that also. Also, it was discussed that another major decision was taken was जे आमचे एक सरपंचाने एडविन बारेटो आणि दुसरे क्रूज कार्दोजो हेमी इश्यू काढलो कावेलोसी विलेज फोरम हो एक NGO आहा कावेलोसी जो जायती वर्सां चलतालो आणि जायते केसीस घातलेले. सो तेगे कन्सर्न आलो हू इज फंडिंग and how many cases are being filed. So I decision gela means panchayata gele poish mode around 10 lakhs were spent only on the cases by the panchayat. So these are public money, public taxpayers' money. So I decision gela to write to the authorities to investigate who is funding this NGO in the name of Kavilasi Village Forum. आणि हेजे सगळे action घेवपा म्हण आमी पंचायताक तेमे request केला. So we will see what best we can do, because the NGO is a private, village forum, but their concern was who was funding to file cases to go to Supreme Court, NGT, High Court. Is a lot of money has been spent by them. And my panchayata party calmetry panchayata koi paise mono bodai. So we have spent around over 9 lakhs. So, and all the other issues were discussed regarding people had concern regarding the coal handling, and also that ONGC work is going on in Betul. So tinga ek board already. So we have written to collector to discuss about that. So overall the meeting was great and concluded with a lot of people, a lot of questions have been answered. Thank you.